It's summer today in Berlin. Behind me you see the Alex, one of the Berlin's icons, I must say, because I'm so in love with it. It's, one of my favorites. And well, as it is summer, I actually decided to pull this pretty elegant, slicked back hair look off with a pretty natural summery look. So stay with me. It's all about summery, freshening up colors. And well, I can't wait to show you. So as it is hot and summer in Berlin, we're gonna start with some beautiful thermal water spray. And next step, foundation. So for the one pump foundation, you need a foundation brush, or you can also use your fingertips. But I really prefer to use a nice foundation brush because it just makes your life so much easier. So what I love really about summery foundations really is that it still is on the very natural dewy side. So just use one pump of the beautiful foundation you're using and spread it nicely and evenly over your face. So once you have nicely spread the foundation over your entire face, as I said, don't forget the jawline. You can even, bring it down with your neck a little bit to really make sure that you're actually looking after a flawless foundation or a flawless complexion. Next step will be the concealer, because as we're just using one pump, we may still see some little, pimples or some darker areas or spots in our face. And that's what the concealer is really good for, because, well, we can just erase it. One of my specials today from Armani, the Maestro Eraser. It's a great concealer because it is pretty covering and it really does the job. It covers up everything. So really bring it on pretty intensively where you know that you will need it, right? Once you've applied it, you really want to start working the eraser into your skin. And that's why I really love using my fingertips, because it's just so easy. You don't even need a brush for it. And it just comes out, up to my opinion, so much nicer. All right, and that is a pretty flawless foundation for you guys. So the other day in Paris, I actually bought the beautiful brow shaping kit by Benefits. And it's amazing because it comes in two parts. It's first the cream, and then you set the cream with the powder. So let's see how that works. So we start with the cream, and then later on we use the powder. So with little drawing movements, we're filling out the eyebrow. So we start with the first brow and then we go to the other one. And always make sure that you even out the shapes of the eyebrows, because even if you happen to have two different eyebrows, you may want to make sure that you even them out so they look pretty much the same. Once we have achieved that, we're going to set them with the powder, which comes in the little compact. Maybelline sent me those beautiful summery colors and I'm going to try them out today. And well, I decided not to go with the blue, but I'm going to go with the rose and the gray. So I think that's a really nice combination for summertime. So first of all, we use the lightest shade out of the compact, and that is a white. And we're going to use that white just on our lower lid. And then use the fingertip to work the beautiful eye color into the skin. Same on the other side. So with the rose, we actually go into the crease of the eye, just in here. And we blend it nicely to also emphasize the depth of our eye. And we use also some little rose underneath our eyes. And that really lets our green in our eye color, if we have it, really pop. So last step is a little bit of gray, and we're just gonna really work it into the crease. We won't even see it when we have our eyes open, but it's gonna really give us some depth. I have here in my hand a magic wand, if you believe it or not. It's Dior Show Iconic Overcurl, and you know what? It's amazing. It just really kind of, pumps up your lashes, and it gives you this beautiful kind of, opened up kind of look, well, which every girl I'm pretty sure wanna have, especially when it's summertime. So we're gonna put this mascara on the upper lashes. Don't necessarily always put some mascara on the lower lashes, because what you will find is it actually frames your eye. And when it does frame your eye, it may sometimes make it look even smaller. So just do it on the upper lashes. And that's it. As we've finished the eyes and the eyebrows, we're now gonna use some little blush to get some more freshness in our face, some lip gloss, and then we're already done. So always make sure when you use a pretty intense blush color to not use too much and really nicely blend it. You want to start pretty natural, or I may say you want the result still natural even though you're using a full-on color. So just, work your way there. That's always what I say. Because once you have applied too much color, it's not very nice to rub it off skin. So just take it slowly and just build it up so you're happy pretty much then in the end with the result. So that's already the blushing action. And now it's gloss time. This is the Princess Gloss from Dior Addict, and I love it because it has some little sheen and glitter even in it. So let's see how that looks on my lips. So this is my Alex Berlin summer look, and what is so special about it is that I'm wearing exactly the same color on my fingernails as what I'm wearing on my lips, and that's called the Princess Color by Dior Addict. So well, I'm in love. I hope you are too.